In this video, I'm reviewing Password Boss, a password manager that's been gaining attention for its promise to simplify and secure your digital life. As soon as you land on the site, the clean and professional layout gives a sense of reliability. The homepage clearly outlines the key selling points: encrypted storage, device sync, and a centralized admin dashboard for business use. It's easy to navigate, with distinct sections for personal and business solutions. When signing up, the process is smooth. You just need your email and a master password. Setup is straightforward, but if you're expecting a modern UI, you might find some aspects a bit outdated. The interface isn't flashy, it's functional. It gives you access to your vault, allows you to import passwords, create secure notes, and manage your autofill settings. One standout feature is the emergency access option, which not many managers offer. It lets trusted contacts access your account under specific conditions. The browser extension integrates well with Chrome and Firefox. Autofill works most of the time, though I noticed some glitches with multi-page logins and certain pop-ups where it failed to detect the input fields. On mobile, the app performs decently, although the fingerprint login sometimes lags. Synchronization across devices is fast and consistent, which is a strong point. In terms of security, Password Boss uses AES-256 encryption, zero-knowledge architecture, and cloud backups, so only you can access your data. They also provide dark web monitoring and higher-tier plans, alerting you if your credentials are compromised. Pricing starts with a free plan that's quite limited, and the premium version offers more features, but feels pricey compared to some competitors that offer similar benefits for less. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One area where Password Boss could improve is onboarding. There's not a lot of guidance for new users, and although the knowledge base is extensive, it's not very interactive. Another drawback is team management tools. While available, they feel a bit clunky compared to other enterprise-focused managers, like 1Password or Dashlane. For individual use, it's solid, but for large teams or IT admins looking for robust control, it may fall short. Overall, if you're someone who values core password management features and reliable syncing, Password Boss delivers. But if you're looking for sleek design, top-tier integrations, or budget-friendly pricing, there are alternatives to consider. That said, the security fundamentals are here, and for privacy-conscious users, that matters most. If this review helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more real-world software breakdowns like this one.